How to fix power button not working in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So a lot of times the power button might not be working. So what you can do is just first of all tap on the settings application of your device. Next, after tapping on the settings option on your device, you can just scroll down and tap on the lock screen option. As you tap on lock screen, you'll be able to see the option of double tap to wake or turn off screen when device is locked. So make sure that you toggle on this option. So as when you toggle on this option, you can just double tap and you'll be able to turn off or turn on your device. Next, what you can simply do is if you want to turn off this device or just power off the device, simply scroll down the status bar and here you can see the option of lock screen. So just tap on it and you'll be able to lock your screen and button off your device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.